Mood boards are the first of the big 5 pre-production documents you'll be expected to know about for the Creative iMedia exam, and also be expected to a certain extent, replicate as well in the longer mark exam questions. So we'll start by talking about what exactly a mood board is. So a mood board is a visual tool which is used to help generate ideas about the eventual product being created. So you often create a mood board at a very early stage of pre-production. We're not going to do it right at the end of pre-production once we have some ideas. It's there to help us get ideas in the first place. So here is an example of a physical mood board. So we've got different items scattered, it looks quite randomly on this table, but we've got different textures, different colours, different items, which may give us some ideas about our product. So often a mood board will include a fairly decent mix of various different items, like images, like logos, like fonts, like text, textures, and even sound or videos if it is a digital mood board. Usually they are physical, so actual physical items, but we can have mood boards done on a computer or even websites which are kind of acting like mood boards, like Pinterest. Links related images together and also other media is done just on a computer, but often having a physical mood board is quite helpful because you can interact with it a bit more normally, for want of a better word. So what is the purpose of having a mood board? Well, really they're there to give a feel about your product and its style before you have actually made your product or even come up with maybe the actual design of it. So you might make a mood board by involving some other competitor products. You might have a logo for a competitor, you might have the colour scheme of a competitor as part of your mood board, allowing you to make comparisons and maybe think about how you can improve your product so that it can be better than it. But equally, an issue might be that having loads of images of other people's products might lead you to lose some originality. It might lead you to copy other people. If loads of competitors have got a very similar style, you might try and copy it, and actually sometimes originality is a better thing to strive for. And it is important to make clear that a mood board isn't there to show you your final product's design. It's just to help you have some ideas for it and also help you to convey ideas to other people. Maybe you create a mood board with colour schemes you like and you might show it to a client, and the client might go, okay, well I don't actually like that colour scheme, and so you might have to go back and change it, right? It's a good way of showing your client some ideas which might be quite hard to get across on paper or using some other pre-production document. And it is important to say that the items you are choosing in mood boards are not random. There is a reason for including them. So they're going to be related to your product and your target audience and colour schemes which are maybe part of your brief, etc. So it's not just a random assortment, it is all linked to some maybe initial ideas you have, and having it on a page or on a table or on a wall might help you create some more ideas, and then maybe you'll start making mind maps or other diagrams to finalise things.